The pandemic has made us reflect on ourselves. The role of teacher, the role of professor has changed rapidly still. And the new questions emerged. The new method is possible, no? Or this period can open the new opportunity to think about the role of professor now. Does the traditional teaching still make sense?
Delivering an online course can be very challenging. To remain actually interactive during a 3-hour course, and also to keep the trainees engaged and motivated.
Sometimes when we are in traditional virtual calls, such as Zoom or Teams, it is very static and can get very tiresome to stare at a screen or even to keep on staring at your own self for a long period of time. During these 2 sessions, we went into different virtual environments, both in 2D and 3D. We explored Gather Town, which is a 2D platform. Also, we were able to look into 3-dimensional spaces. These 2 virtual spaces allowed us to have a 3-dimensional avatar that can explore the virtual space along with our colleagues. I'm curious to see how we can use these technologies in order to get together, to tackle the world's most urgent problems, and to create meaningful interactions, even by being far apart.
When I was involved in this project, INNO-TEC-LAB project, I thought about the role of trends and the possibility that the trends can play an important role inside of the event, the project, the system. The cluttering, phygital, the materialization, you know, the idea of a different future. No? So how is possible to combine these keywords inside of our relationship with the students? And we are only a teacher, or we can enter inside of a different mood, no? And we can use and share these keywords, this trend, to change our method. But are you sure we have a method?
I think it's better to focus on one topic and actually to give the opportunity to the participants to be more interactive and to give them the floor in order, to solve any queries, any doubts, and so on. You have to be inclusive. By being inclusive means that you actually increase your target group, you increase your audience, you increase also your possibilities to become more comprehensive, more understandable by all regarding their backgrounds, their gender, and regarding also their, if I may, cultural competencies or cultural, for example, identity and so on.
When I started with this project, I exactly changed my method. No, because the first step is to change something inside of you. No? And when I tell the story about the trend, exactly in my mind there was the idea to help the professor to use the keywords to change a little bit themselves.